Hi guys, here welcome back to my channel. This is the one and the only Chikwados space. Guys, today we have things to unbox today. You guys know that we do review and unboxing on our channel here. I have a packet that's landed and I have to unbox it with you guys. Yeah, so this is the small packet here and I have here also one here. So let's start with the small packets with me. Thank you for watching all my videos, guys. So what is this? Yeah, I got this because I need this is one kind of things I saw from Amazon. Okay, this is called rosemary mint strengthening hair mask. This is Mile, if I pronounce it well. This is a rosemary mask and that straighten hair. I want to do my daughter's hair and I need I saw this. Rosemary is a beautiful thing to use to make grow hair, but this is the mask. I've not tried it before. I saw it, I said, let me get it. It smells good, not bad. Okay, so whenever I'm going to try it on my channel, I'm going to show you and tell you how it works. Okay, and then I have packet here and I'm guessing that this packet is something like ring light. I think so, because I've been making videos this time around. My ring light was broken, and since then my videos don't used to be bright enough. I said, okay, I saw one small ring light like that. I say what I needed is light. Okay, I have a tripod and I have a lot of tripods. There was a time I unboxed tripods that I got from TikTok. Unfortunately, that tripod did not have light. So since then, I've been making my videos without light. Only the light in my house here, and it's not bright enough. You guys who have been watching my video will know that my videos is not well lighted, and I don't like it. So I decided to get this is a light which I can be keeping on the table where I'm making videos like this. Now I can stand it here. Okay, but this is another thing altogether. This I guess is a what do they call it? Speaker. It's a speaker. Oh my god, see how this looks like? Guys, I got this speaker of Amazon, from Amazon. Yeah, I saw it. I said, let me get it, because you guys know that I have my bank channel, which I want to be making videos that will sound wonderfully, guys. Oh, is this how this looks like? Okay, I don't know if you know about this. This is not what I'm expecting, but this is what I'm seeing. They say it's a near stream. Near stream. Do you know about this? I don't know. I was looking for speaker I will be using whenever I'm making mukbang channel, mukbang video, or making video like this, which I want to make it to sound clear without noise around. You guys know that whenever I'm making videos, maybe my family will be around, my kids will be around. I don't want noise. The one I have here is not serving me how I want it. And I decided to get another one. And I don't know how this is going to look like. Do you have this? Okay, this is what it come with it. Look at this. This come together with this. How much do I buy this? This is, I will check the price and I will add it here. This is from Amazon, yeah. It has things like this inside it. Look at it. This looks like something you can use to attach in it or handle. I think so. They also have charger. Oh, they have even two handles like this. So, and again, plus this. Guys, look, I have to figure out how this is going to be set. It's my first time. I've not even seen someone who's using it. Guys, it's good whenever you buy something like this, unbox it with us, so that you don't know who this can help, who can as well learn from, see from what you buy and also get his or her own. It helps. Don't think we are joking here. We are here to create videos to help others. So it came with something like this. I think what we are going to use to, yeah, I think this is going to be here. I think so. I'm not sure. Because I bought for the iPhone. This is the iPhone Type-C mount. So I'm going to figure out. It's also come with something like this here, chips here, and I'm going to figure out how it works, because I don't want this video to be long. Whenever I'm going to use it, I'm going to come along and show you how it works, guys. So this is this is not what I'm looking for. This is not what I'm looking for. I hope this will serve me. Oh God, guys, I need a speaker that will serve me whenever I am doing mobile videos, so that it should be making curl. You understand? Some of you who know what I mean will understand. So this is the pack. This is a pack of what I'm telling you. I'm going to figure it out and see how it's going to work. Near streaming, they have even warranty card. Okay, I hope this can last. So I figure it out and I will come and then give you the review letter. Let's unbox this here. Even have something again here to unbox, but let's first of all unbox this this ring light. Let me unbox the ring light. This is so small. Well, I don't want to be wasting much money on YouTube, because I've been giving out. YouTube is not even giving us much money, but we are spending. Money is not even coming like how we think. Okay, this is a table ring light. Just want this near me when I am making a video like this, mostly mukbang, to brighten my video up. Look at it. We're going to use this to set it on your table, and also put this ring light so that your video is going to be bright, mostly and it has also remotes. Mostly for people who sit down videos, this is very good for you. If you are making outside videos, I don't think this is for you. So this is how it looks. This is what I really need, the light in it. The light in it. I don't need tripod. I have a lot. I have like 4 tripods here. So this is how this looks, guys. I'm going to mount it later. So let's see other things. This is what you're going to use to screw it. Let's see other things. I'm making this video a little bit faster. I think this comes from TikTok. Guys, I've become a TikTok shopper. I like to shop yet in this is TikTok or where? I don't think this is in TikTok, guys. This is not in TikTok. I don't think this is in TikTok. I got this somewhere, maybe in, I think it's Amazon, yeah, I think so. Guys, I got this t-shirt for myself. I got it for myself for my summer. I'm going to be rocking it because I need white. I like white things. Some of you will say, but the one you are wearing is not white. But I really like white t-shirts or white clothes. I'm going to be a white lady this time around. Be wearing white. I like white, and it gives me fitting whenever I wear white. So this is one of the thing I got, and I have next one to me here is this, and I think this is a short. It is a knicker. We call it, when we are small, we call it short knicker. Short knicker is a topology. Just call it knicker or short. So I got shorts for myself. Oh, when I'm going to rock this, I'm going to look so elegant. So guys, this is what I got from Amazon, and because I was buying this particular ring light, I say, okay, let me I don't like buying one thing. When I want to buy something, I like to maybe buy 2 or 3 things so that shipping is going to be free. That's why I added this. So this is what I am going to unbox with you today. Maybe when I wear this, I'm going to come along and show you how it looks like. Let me know what you think about what I got. Going to mount and do the speaker. And if I finish, guys, I'm going to come and show you how it looks like, whether it is working or not. If it's working, I'm going to recommend it to you, and also add the link. Going to also add a link for you to, maybe if you want something like this, you can as well purchase it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Always subscribe, like, and give me a comment. Don't forget to tell me where you are watching me from so that I can give you a shout out. Love you guys. Bye. See you next time in my next video.